It's great news that the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention this week cleared the way for children ages 5 to 11 to receive the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine against COVID-19, after the FDA authorized it last week. It's also good news that neither the state of California nor Los Angeles schools will require them to get it, yet. That's not to say kids should skip the vaccine. There's good evidence that the vaccine is safe and effective for them. The best way to quell this pandemic once and for all is by vaccinating as much of the population as possible. Though the coronavirus is generally less dangerous for children, September was the worst month for infections and deaths for them, as most return to school full-time. Infected children also can spread the virus to parents, communities, teachers and other staff at school. But because the COVID-19 vaccine is approved for kids only under emergency use authorization, it should be up to parents to decide. The Food and Drug Administration generally wants to see more evidence over time before it bestows full approval. It's also different legally. People have a right under federal law to refuse an emergency use pharmaceutical. Finally, requiring a vaccine that hasn't met with full FDA approval feeds into the conspiracy theory among vaccine skeptics that the government is trying to force an unproven experimental pharmaceutical on the people. For now, a unified has the right idea: it will offer the vaccine for young students, but not require it. School officials also should heavily promote the vaccine as a great way to keep schools safe and reduce the disruption that has interrupted learning for thousands of students.